It's too expensive to color my hair. It's really, really not. Regardless of what color you're using, you're just going to do your roots. A lot of people take it all the way to the ends, and you shouldn't because it's going to damage your hair. We're just doing the roots. So all you need is a little bit of color. So even if you get a box color, it's equal parts developer and color. The developer is that cream looking bottle or cream that comes in a box color, and then the color is the liquid, dark liquid typically, or just the liquid. Mix just a little bit in there and then put it in a bottle and go through and only do your roots, only do your gray, just kind of massage it in. The last like 5 minutes of the color being in your hair, just kind of spritz your hair with water and comb it through so you have an all even color, and you're not damaging this as much as leaving it on the full time that it should be on. Honestly, I'm too lazy to do the whole head a lot of times because my gray is primarily in front and I wear my hair down. So I just kind of put it on the roots in lines like this, boom, 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 and then just kind of massage it in. Make sure you're covering the gray areas. The extra that I have, I will take a brush and I will go through my eyebrows to stain my eyebrows and make them look fuller and darker as well. Okay, now remember, we don't want the skin to stain, so go get you your Dawn dishwashing soap. You have to do this trick. This is a hairdresser's trick. You have to do it while the color is processing, and you cannot dilute this formula at all. So you see where it's gotten on my skin? You're going to take the Dawn dishwashing soap, and you're going to work it into that color, not touching your actual hair, because if it touches the hair, the color will not process. It will stop processing. But this will reassure that you have no stains on your skin. Do not dilute it with water and leave it there to sit as a barrier. When you go to shampoo your hair and take off your brows first, wipe off your brows first, you will see that your skin is not stained. Okay, so it's 5 minutes till the end of the 30 minutes, and I'm just gonna spritz the rest of my hair. I'm going to take the color, whatever's left. You can see there's a little bit left. And I'm going to work it in, put it back on the roots, and then just kind of wash it over. Then what you're going to do is you're going to get a comb and you're going to comb it through. Now, if you have very, very brittle hair and thin hair, I would not recommend you combing it because your hair is more delicate when it's wet. And we don't want any damage, but I have a lot of hair, and I love how the color just naturally, seamlessly blends with the rest of the hair. I just take a comb, and I just comb it through like this. That's it. Probably have like 4 minutes left, and we're gonna go to the shower and wash it out. And this is what your hairline looks after using the Dawn dishwashing soap. You can see I colored all my grays. Everything looks great. My eyebrows look like they're already filled in, so try it. Let me know if it worked for you.